दिदी यता हेर्नुस्
Desidele to all. Today, 8th March 2022, Tuesday. We are at Gujeshwari, Nepal, providing food for poor and needy people in Nepal. The person who helped was through Geshitashit Dorje, director of Shitikum Kipling, and the donor were Ngawangari family, Canada, Vancouver, $100. Paga family, Canada, Vancouver, $100. Rinchinso family, Canada, Vancouver, $100. Lobsan Gelson family, Canada, Vancouver, $100. Chiring Pano, Canada, Vancouver, $100. The total was $500 Canadian dollar, convert Nepali rupees, 49,488. The amount that were spent were food, 46,000, water, 2,000, taxi, 1,488. The total was 49,488. Thank you.
खाना खोइ